Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Nigar Sultana, your maths teacher from class 2. How are you all? I hope you are all good. Today we will discuss about exercise 10.1 multiples of 2, 5 and 8. Now we will start from 2. In number 2 here is get 12 things to count. In number A here is share them between 2. Here is 12 things. Now look at here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here is 12 things. Now we have to share them between 2. Now look at here. Here is missing number into 2 equal to 12. Now if we share them between 2, how much will everyone get? For work out the answer, we have to divide 12 by 2. Now, if we divide 12 by 2, we get here 6. Now, look at here, 6 into 2 is 12, and if we divide 12 by 2, we get 6. In number B, here is share them between 3. Now, if we share 12 between 3, how many will everyone get? For work out the answer, we have to divide 12 by 3. And if we divide 12 by 3, we get 4. Now look at here, the answer is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. And if we divide 12 by 3, we get 4. In this way, we can work out the answer of number 2. In number 3, 3a, complete the pattern in the tens table. Here, we can complete the pattern in the box by tens table. Now look at here. Here is 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, and 10 tens are 100. Now here is all the number end in 0. Look at here in number 3. Here all the numbers end in 0. And another question is, are they odd or even or both? We know even numbers always end with a digit of 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Here all the numbers end in 0. So all are even. Now number B, complete the pattern in the 5's table. Here is 5, 10. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So we can complete the pattern in the table by 5 times table. Now look at here, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45 and 5 tens are 50. All the numbers in here 0 and 5. And next one is, are they odd or even or both? Now look at here. Here all the numbers end in 5 and 0. And 5 is odd and 0 is even. So here all the numbers even and odd. So we have to write here both. In number C, here is complete the pattern in the 2's table. Here we have to complete the pattern in 2's table, and here all the numbers end in 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, and all are even. Is it clear, everyone? I hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.